through Padre Pio, I was actually able to grow in my spiritual life because he led me to grow in my prayer life, which is very essential in your spiritual life because it's your connection to the Lord. It actually started with the praying, stay with me, because if you really pray that prayer with your whole heart and soul, you will see that it's really, or you're telling the Lord to not be separated from Him. And then, so through that prayer, gradual, it wasn't swift. Everything naman is gradual. So, when I started, it's just basically started with when I go to Mass, especially here in Padre Pio, I don't normally go home right away. I just notice every time I stay after Mass, I am staying to pray, and then every day I spent more time in prayer longer and longer. It's like Padre Pio is saying to me, stay with me. So every time I stay longer, I grow in my prayer life, and then with that growth, you have an internal or interior transformation. So you are more connected with the Lord because of that. And also, through studying the life of Padre Pio, and not only Padre Pio, but all the other saints, I you want to live a holy life kasi nga your goal is to be with the Lord in heaven. So, you have to study their way of life, of how to be holy. And, di ba, it was Padre Pio even who said that as much as possible, you go to confession every week. So, yun, I try to study their way of life. So, kasi my only goal in life is to go to heaven with the Lord. And that's also my advice to other people. Should try to study the life of the saints instead of studying the life of, the so-called modern influencers, because they will just lead you to worldliness and consumerism. You'll be attached to the world. Pero if you study the life of the saints, including Padre Pio, and emulate them, you will know how to live a holy life and grow deeper in your love for the Lord.